Radhe Radhe, Jai Shri Krishna. In Srimad Bhagavatam, there is an incident in which King Kakudmi takes his daughter Revati to Brahma in Brahmaloka to inquire about a best suited husband for her. It is said in Srimad Bhagavatam that Kanya Varang Pariprashtang Brahmalokom Pavritam Avartamane Gandharve Isthito Alabdak Chhadah Chhanam. तदंत आद्यमानम्य स्वाभिप्रायं न्यवेदयत् तच्छ्रुत्वा भगवान ब्रह्मा प्रहस्य तमुवाचः अहो राजन् निरुद्धास्ते कालेन हृदि ये कृताः तत्पुत्र पौत्रं अप्त्रीणां गोत्राणि च न शृण्महे. Meaning is that when Kakudmi reached to Brahmaloka, Brahma was busy in some musical events performed by Gandharvas, due to which King Kakudmi had to wait. And after some time, he met with Brahma and expressed his wish for a suitable groom for his daughter. After listening to Kakudmi's words, Brahma started laughing very loudly and said to King that, in the amount of time you spent waiting for me here, there have been 27 Mahayug ended on earth, and all the grooms you saw there are died long time ago. Even their sons and grandsons are also no more now. Let me tell you that Satyuga, Treta, Dwapar and Kali together are called one Mahayug. In Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, Sahasrayug Paryantam Haryat Brahmado Viduh Ratring Yug Sahasrantang Te Ho Ratra Vidojana. That means the length of one day at Brahmalokas is equal to 1000 Mahayug of the earth, and the night of Brahmaloka is also of the same length. Now let me connect the possibility of that incident of Srimad Bhagavatam with a modern scientific theory. In the year 1915, Albert Einstein proposed the general theory of relativity for the time dilation effect. According to the general theory of relativity for time dilation effect, your ages will affect slightly slower or faster at places depending on the stronger or weaker gravitational fields. For example, if you are living on Jupiter, your age will be 18.4 seconds slower than the Earth because Jupiter's gravity is significantly stronger than Earth. Similarly, for Uranus, where time passes much slower compared to Earth. But the similar kind of philosophy has already been written thousands years ago by Maharshi Vedvyas in Srimad Bhagavatam with some practical stories. Radhe Radhe.